busy thinking about
fidget toys, fidget toys, fidget toys.
No.
Oh no!
No. What?
Dante do his shit like
Tell me, girl, you the best, but I already know what I am. They know I wanna come over, put it on the
But I just can't date a dude when we fell in.
Your stupid face makes me insane. My heart feels like it's trapped in cellophane, and every time I try to unwrap the pain, I feel so ashamed. Oh, but you don't know how I feel. It's like every day I'm running uphill. Oh, why can't I just spit it out and tell you right now that you're the one I want out loud?
Yeah, you got that yummy, that yummy, that yummy, yummy.
So we finished the giant button, which turned out great. Then we tried making an infinity cube, which also worked pretty good. So we made it bigger. This finished earlier today, and it turned out just as good. But now we need a new project to make big. And I personally love these keychains. So I'm going to make one at 300% scale. I'll have this going on my live, so watch out for it.
I bet I can pop all of these before you can like, follow, and share, and you better not pause the video because that's 100% cheating. Starting in 3, 2, 1. One.
Coming back for 24 hours.
Did I really just forget that melody? When I popped off, then your girl gave me just a little bit of la chop. Baby, so cold.
Fidgets that are not so good for school. Definitely a snapper. Listen at that. Who wants to hear that in the middle of class? Even though I love these push pops and they are one of my absolute favorite fidgets, these are not really recommended for school because if they fall, they're very loud. And of course, the pops are satisfying, but they may interrupt someone, so we have to leave those at home. Now, of course, the squish ball. This one is nice and small and very compact, can fit in your pocket or book bag, but if it pops, man, that would be a big mess. You may get in trouble. So it's best just to keep these little squish balls at home.
Friends, and it went like this, and it went like this, and it went like this,
You guys loved the 3D printed music box, so we made this. It didn't sound that great, so we're 3D printing a violin. Any song requests? Halloween came early.
Potatoes, small 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 potatoes on the moon.
Acabou a água. Agora ele vai ter que ficar todo sujinho.